Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this small tutorial I will show you how to download WinRAR to your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So first of all, let's navigate to our search bar in our internet browser and let's type in WinRAR. You can also type in WinRAR download to make your job easier. I'm just going to stick to WinRAR. Okay, so from here, from our Google search, the first link you want to click on is this official WinRAR website. From here, under the download section, you want to download the latest version of our application. From this list, you've got a choice of different languages. So depending on what language you want to download a respective link from this list. I'm just going to download a English version for 64-bit version of my system. Now let's wait for it to download. Also, as you can see, after pressing the download button, we are giving a small window with instructions of how to install the app, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do this by yourself. So let's just click on the WinRAR installation file from our downloads. Let's minimize our browser window, and as you can see, this is going to be a trial version of the WinRAR archiver, and the period will last for 40 days, after which you will have to buy this app to use it further. Let's just press the install button. From this window you can choose which file extensions to associate with our WinRAR archiver, but for the majority of users I suggest not touching these and simply choose the interface options for yourself. If you want to add, for example, a desktop icon, which I will do, you can also pin and add your WinRAR icon to the start menu to be able to launch it more easily from our start menu in Windows. I will do that as well. And from here just press OK, and the application is now installed on your system. You can also press on this button to instantly run the WinRAR archiver. And as you can see, our app is now installed. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.